Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing my latest planner haul. So this is gonna be a pretty small haul, but I've asked y'all in the past and y'all said that even if it's small, y'all still want to see everything. And I felt like this is also important for 2022 planner system wise. So I figured I would just share it even though it's literally 2 boxes. So first up is an order from 8LOTUS, and I've mentioned this in a few videos that I really love the new card. Sorry, I've just been getting distracted really easily lately. But I've mentioned that I purchased a few things for 2022 for in here, so I'm really excited to share all of that with you guys. So as y'all know, I always have these vellum dashboards in my planners. So I purchased the 2022 year for my pocket, medium, and A5. So my Louis Vuitton small, medium, and large ring agendas. And just a staple that I have. I like having that overview there and just love the minimal design from 8LOTUS. And then I ordered my weekly overview inserts. So y'all have seen these in my planner. These are like the #1 insert that I have to have in my planner. I absolutely love them. They are my go-to for the entire week. And so I just got the 2022 version. At the moment, I decided to only purchase these for my planner section. So I haven't purchased any yearly inserts like I have So I haven't purchased any yearly inserts, and I'm referring to these, and that's because I think y'all see, like, even my plan with me is I generally don't use them. I like skip over them, and like I set them up and then I don't use them. And so I'm gonna reconfigure, of course, my layout again for the new year. I have the 2021-2022 monthly inserts, so I didn't need any 2022 monthly inserts until mid-year next year, and so I didn't need those, but I needed the refill on the dated 2022 weekly inserts. And then the only other thing I use are the hourly inserts, and I have the printable version, so I just use those. So I'll reconfigure this and we'll figure that out together in another video, but I of course had to grab those. And then I also wanted to try something new. So I haven't been using my pocket planner like at all, and I mentioned that in a planner chat video as well. And so I purchased the pocket version of the weekly inserts for 2022 just because I know they'll all fit in here, and that way I can try and use them like on the go to have plans. And so that way there's a reason to go inside of this planner as well. So I'm gonna try this out and see if that'll help me use the planner a little bit more. And I have like the monthly inserts in here, which I'm going to keep in here, and then I have some daily, but I figure just adding these in here will help me use this a lot more frequently, since, you know, I'm so used to doing that in here, and I can use this to run like errands and just manage plans a little bit better. And then I have the dailies if I ever want like a daily page for personal, because the only daily pages I use right now are for work. So we're gonna add these into here, and honestly I can do that now. We'll do that now. So that was everything in my 8LOTUS order, and to show y'all the setup, I haven't been using the budget tracker, so we're just gonna take this out for now. And I'm hoping that once I start using the weekly inserts in here, I'll start wanting to use the budget tracker in here, because that is something that I just want to do, and that's why I always try and reincorporate it in here. But just to also show y'all what the weekly inserts come with, they get this really cute like little dashboard that we're gonna keep up there. I do have larger rings. I have the Krause rings in here, so it does fit with the Krause rings, and you have plenty of room. This entire set will fit on the rings that come with the planner as well. That's the best part of this size. And then you have, you know, the entire year in here. But each week you just have a little space. So, you know, as you'll know, I'll probably be using my icons in here. And then you have your priorities, your to-do, and just a little memo section. And so I thought this would be a great way to start using this planner. And yeah, I love using these in my A5, and hopefully I'll really like using them in my pocket and use them for on the go. So we have that. And so that was everything in the 8LOTUS order. And then I grabbed two things from Erin Condren. So first up, for some more adhesive corner pockets. So I turned a teacher lesson planner into my new like weekly coiled planner. And I want to add the stickers that I use all the time in here. So I just grabbed these large pockets so that I can use them in here and store stickers. And because I couldn't resist, I picked up the new budget inserts. So these just recently launched on the Erin Condren website, and of course I wanted to pick them up and try them out and also share them with you guys. So I used to always use the budget book from Erin Condren. Then I got into inserts and tried using those and have been using those, but I've kind of been like falling off using those. So hopefully this will be like the best mix. So let's snap this into an Erin Condren agenda. So I have my horizontal here. I honestly haven't used this, which is why y'all haven't seen it. It's still pretty empty. This is supposed to be for memory keeping, and I'm not doing a good job of that, but we have it. I might turn an agenda into like a finance agenda. We'll see, but this is designed so that you can add it to your planner. So right now I have an entire year and a month in here because it was 18 months of plans, and we just have December to, let me see, August in here for horizontal. So I just added all of that. So you can add it to any planner, but these inserts have for each month a budget at a glance. So you have your month of, so they're technically undated, but they are color coded for the month, so you can start in January. It'd also be cool, so you could also just add this to each, like behind each tab if you wanted. Maybe like in your overview area here, you can add in your budget sheet if you wanted, and that's the best part about inserts, that you can add them where you want. But since it's front and back for each month, you could add that into every single one. But on here you have income, and you have 4 boxes: housing, transportation, utilities, health, 2 blank boxes. And then you have savings, food, entertainment, 2 more blank boxes, debt, and then a total income, total expenses, difference, and total savings box. And then you have 12 months, so again in the normal EC colorway. And then you have spending summary. So it says that you have 56 spending summary pages. So that's essentially 4 to 5 pages a month. And so you can track all of your spending, which is actually really cool. I do wish that they added their debt tracker to this bundle, just because that was one of my favorite things in the budget book, is that they had that in there. But overall, I think this is great, especially if you just want to simply add it to your planner. So you can, and again, because it's, you know, A5 inserts, you can easily put them behind each tab, use a different set of tabs, and then put your spending summary behind each month, get some monthly tabs, and so on. So that is the budget bundle, and I'll probably have another video where I set it up just to try it and show y'all, you know, how I'm going to be using them, because I do plan on using them. But for now, we'll just keep them in here. And yeah, that was everything that I have ordered recently, and I told y'all it was going to be short. So other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. I will have links to everything down below, including my discount code to Infinite Lotus. Thank you guys so much for watching.